Are you stuck with angles and sides? Then this video is here to help you. So let's go. Triangle XYZ has sides XY to be 10 centimeter, YZ is 7 centimeter, and angle X is 40 degrees. Find angle Z to one decimal place. All right, so this is a question on trigonometry. This side XY is actually the same thing as side Z. This is the same thing as side Z because it's the it's the side facing angle Z. It's the side facing angle Z. This side YZ is also the same thing as side X, small letter X, small letter Z, because it's the side facing angle X, and the side XZ is small letter Y, and that's because it's the side facing angle Y. And we have angle X to be 40 degrees. We're told to find angle Z, which we can represent with, okay, as Z, we can use it as Z. So how then do we solve this question? Looking at what we have, we were given side X to be 7 centimeters. We're given angle X to be 40 degrees. We're also given side Z to be 10 centimeter. They want to calculate angle Z. Looking at this, anytime we are given two sides of a triangle and one of its angle, anytime we are given two sides and one of its angles or one of its angle rather, we apply sine rule. We apply sine rule. And if you look at this, we are given side x and angle x, one side and one of its angle. Then we're also given side z. So we want to apply the sine rule. And what does the sine rule state? The sine rule states that small x over sine capital X is equal to small y over sine capital Y is equal to small z over sine capital Z. Since we are considering triangle, so considering triangle XYZ as given above. So how then do we solve it? So let's input our values and see what we're going to have. So we're going to have 7 centimeters over sine 40 degrees is going to be equal to 10 centimeters over sine Z, since we intend to find Z. So what do we do at this junction? What was sine 40 degrees? Sine 40 degrees is 0.6428. So this is going to be 7 centimeters over 0.6428 multiplied by 10. Sorry, it's actually equal to, rather, it should be equal to 10 centimeters over sine Z. So what we do now is we're going to cross multiply. And by the time I cross multiply, I'm going to have that 7 centimeter multiplied by sine Z is equal to 10 centimeter multiplied by 0.6428. It means that I'm going to have 7 centimeter multiplied by sine Z is going to be equal to 6.428 centimeter, because 10 times 0.6428 will be 6.428 centimeters. So I'm going to divide both sides by 7 centimeters, which would eventually leave me with sine Z is equal to 6.428 centimeters divided by 7 centimeters. So I can even say centimeters cancel centimeters. So I'm left with sine Z is equal to 6.428 divided by 7, which would eventually give me 0.9183 to 4 decimal places. So Z now, to get Z, is going to be sine inverse of 0.9183 was sine inverse of 0.9183. That's the same thing as, it means Z is equal to 66.6788 degrees. But remember, the question says that we should find angle Z to one decimal place. So to one decimal place, Z would actually be equal to 66.7 degrees, one decimal place. I hope you have learned about sine rule. Don't worry, in another video, I would explain how to use sine rule, when to use sine rule, as well as cosine rule. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.